Hey, come on, Kennel. Kennel. Ah, nope, Kennel. Hey, Kennel. Hey. Come on out. Out, 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 out. Come on. Come on. Come on. Hey. Kennel. Come on. Get off my car. All right. Kennel. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, my God. You think he's excited to go hunting? Anytime we hit a dirt road, this is what he does. Come on, Gunner, find the birds. He just put on the parking brakes. Let's see what happens. He slowed down. This is a nice little trail right here. Huh. Not sure if it's birdy at all, but here we are. Gunner, where's the birds? Find the birds. Gunner, find the bird. Find the bird. Oh, there goes one. Missed it. Hey, good boy. Come. Where are the birds, Gunner? Good boy. His tail's wagging, which usually means... Oh, there it goes. Fuck. Oh, there it goes. Hey, whoa! Whoa! So he had it. Oh, there was another one, too. Fuck. So there's two in this little area over here. Gunner, come. Good boy. Good boy. Hey, come here. Come here. Good boy, buddy. Good boy. Good boy. We got a double out of here. That's good. Look at, they're by the stream, and they're on a little kind of like shelf. Pine trees, roosting trees. So when he was pointing, you could see his tail wagging. He wasn't quite sure where they were. He was on the scent, but when he's like on top of them, he is dead still. He's just on point. But when his tail's wagging, he's like, I don't know, there's something around here. I smell it a little bit, but it's not, I'm not exactly sure where it is. So he's not exactly, oh, there was another one. 3, holy shit. Gunner, come. So I hunt with a 20 gauge. And it's times like these, I feel like I should size up and go for a 12 gauge. That when the leaves fall off, I should switch to a 12 gauge. Because the birds will see me and they'll flush out further. But we'll see. You know. Come on, buddy. Come on. Hey. I don't know, it's pretty dry over here. We'll see. Oh, shit. Tracker. What do we got? Okay, we got apples, that's good. Something's in here. Okay. What do we got? Oh, that's a big... What was there? Come on, where is it gonna? You gotta be here somewhere. Tons of habitat. Oh! I don't know if that was one or not. Is that one over there? It's too dark to timber. I don't know. I don't know if it'll be in here. Some point somewhere. Okay. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Okay, good boy. Good boy. Come on, move up. Come on. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? They run on you? Okay, there's someone somewhere in here. Come on, where'd he go? Where'd he go? Find the bird. Find the bird. Where'd he go? Okay, apparently went this way. Oh, there it goes. Nope. I definitely missed that. Definitely missed that. Easy. Easy. Where's the bird, Gunner? Where's the bird? It's here somewhere. Where is it? Easy. Okay. Something in here. Okay. Okay. Where is it? Come on, move up. Come on. Oh! Ah, fuck. Good boy, Gunner. Good boy. Ah. Man, that's just the way that it goes. I was on the wrong side. If Jimbo were here, he would have been walking in the road. He definitely would have shot that. Good point, Gunner. Good boy. Good boy. Want some water? Come on. Let's get some water. Good boy. Hey, not from there. Here we go. Off to another adventure. Yes, yes, you ready to go? Which way do you want to go, Gunnar? Oh, looks like we're going right. Yeah. Huh. Still a little too early. The birds are still on the roost. So We'll see. I think they're going to fly out of the tree if they fly at all. Okay, let's go walk down here, Gunnar. Let's go see what's in here. Where did it go? I can't believe I missed it. Oh, brutal. Okay, hang on. Whoa, easy. 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 Hang on. There's a woodcock in here somewhere. Gotta be a woodcock. Maybe. Okay, easy. Okay, move up. Move up. Where is it? Where is it? Good boy, Gunnar. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Hey, easy. 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 Good boy. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, good boy, Gunnar. That's a small one. Good boy. That's 3 woodcock. That's a good point by Gunnar. What do you think this is? Huh. Anybody? Well, I thought there'd be more birds over here. It's nice though. Come on, come on, come here. Come on, up, 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 up. Come on, up, yeah. All right, sit, sit. Gunnar, look at me. Hey, look at me. Good boy. All right, come on, down.